Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spacious executive townhome for sale. It is turnkey ready for a large family or a family who loves space. It is located on Norbrook Drive, Kingston 8. This 5-bedroom home consists of a lovely mother-in-law suite on the first level, 4 other ensuite bedrooms and bathrooms throughout, plus a helper's room with bathroom in the basement. The property has 4 levels spanning approximately 6,500 square feet in size. It comes with a water tank and a generator. There is a large side yard for private entertaining of guests, coupled with a tasteful backyard, which lends itself to serene relaxation. It is situated in a gated compound, which has 24-hour security, a swimming pool, and a bit of a view. It is in proximity to Manor Park and Constant Spring Golf Course. Call today to schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this home, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this home is US $850,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.